It's HIMSS 2018 right here from Las Vegas, Nevada, as we continue to introduce you to some of our CommonWell Alliance members. Scott Adams here with you. Time now to turn our attention to ELLKAY and their Chief Information Officer, Kamal Patel, joining us. And Kamal, what's ELLKAY's area of expertise when it comes to interoperability?
So we are known as the healthcare data plumbers, and we've been attempting to solve the interoperability challenges that everybody's having across various areas in the healthcare industry, labs, hospitals, clinical data, payers, and we're super excited to be a part of CommonWell.
Yeah, a newer relationship. So why CommonWell as well as you guys?
I think the Common Foundation is the goal that CommonWell has. Is to solve this interoperability challenge. It fits in exactly with what we are doing. And I think we spoke to Jatin, had some great conversations, and even though there might be some overlap, like the end game is to reduce the cost of healthcare across, have the data for patients that are going to different facilities, like they go to ambulatory locations, they go to different places within the health system, to have that same data available for sharing. And we think that the network that we have put together, the network that CommonWell has put together, it's going to be great for the health systems, it's going to be great for EHRs, and ultimately it's going to be phenomenal for the patients to get the care that they should be getting.
Yeah, and so that being said, the next 5-10 years, what is ELLKAY excited about when it comes to those advancements in interoperability?
I think that so far a lot of interoperability has been looked at as technology challenges. And I think like a lot of vendors also look at it as constant revenue gen. What we are thinking that in terms of interoperability, what can you do to make it super seamless, have it plug and play, eliminate any kind of development hurdles, eliminate any kind of resource hurdles, and just to drag and drop and set up interoperability. And we've been successful in parts of it. There's a lot more work to be done. And I think with our experience on the interoperability side and the experience on the consolidations that we do on our archive side, I think we can facilitate the communication between the health systems, between ambulatory, through the pieces that we have. But also additionally, there are vendors who are joining CommonWell who are having a hard time with getting those pieces going. We can ramp those up. So there was great interest in us having being a part of CommonWell. And once we spent the day with Jatin at our whole office, we went through various scenarios, and he got us as excited, and we're super happy about that.
Patient matching and getting that all-encompassing, universal, one sort of one-stop shop. That's the future of where this needs to be. Correct?
I think that's a part of that. That is something that needs to be addressed as an initial project, right? Because you have patient data coming in from different places, and you want to make sure this is the right patient. Now, we got really, I would say, lucky with doing all these archives and migration and consolidation that our eMPI kind of popped out. It wasn't strategic that we went out and said, hey, we want to build this. It was just out of necessity that it came out, and we recently licensed the algorithm that won the ONC award for our eMPI, so it's even a lot better. And we told Jatin that if he wants to use it, it's by all means, So we want to give our solutions to CommonWell members so they can capitalize on some of the hurdles that have already been solved. But I agree with you. It's a major piece of the puzzle, and everybody is getting closer to it. So that's great.
One of the newest members of CommonWell, that being ELLKAY, as Kamal Patel, we appreciate it so much.
Absolutely, thank you, and we're excited about it.
For more information on ELLKAY, we invite you to log on to CommonWellAlliance.org.